me hot this year. Where them a go do if you hold me? Or do you hear me? Or to get me wicked this year. Not even water can cool me. Not a mercy. Or to get me hot, to get me hot, to get me wicked, wicked.
Hey guys, I'll be dyeing, styling, and installing this 22-inch kinky straight frontal unit from O'Shea's House of Beauty. It came in a natural brown color, and I'll be dyeing it black using Ion Permanent Dye in the color 2B. All products used will be in the description box below. Go ahead and mix the dye with the 30 volume developer. I just follow the instructions on the box. So after I'm done saturating the hair with the dye, I went ahead and applied a plastic bag over the hair and let it sit for about 45 to 50 minutes under the dryer, so the dye can marinate in that hair. So I went ahead and I washed that baby out and I put it to hair dry, for as long as it needed. And then, yeah, we went ahead and we started styling that baby. Yeah, baby, yeah. We're going into the interesting part now. My favorite part, styling and installing. Yeah, so I had went ahead and I curled half the hair. Now I'm going in with my hot comb, just to straighten and flatten the front. And I'm going to use my one curl and continue curling the next side. So after I was done curling the ear with the wand curl, I use my fingers to open up the curls to add a little volume to the hair. If you can see, you just look and you'll see the difference when I open the curls. So right now I'm just going in with my art comb to more define the part and to lay the front a little bit and slay the edges. Yes, look at that. Yeah, baby. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes, I reached the most interesting part. I love installing my wigs. Today I'll be using the Gorilla Glue and my Got to Be Free spray to install my wig today. So just stay tuned and watch. So I use a Nairobi air foam to lay and slay these edges. And after I'm done laying and slaying these edges, I use a edge tie, a edge wrap, a scarf, whatever you have, you can use to tie it down, because the most important part of melting the lace into your skin is tying it down. And after I tie it down, then I use the blow dryer for about 10, 15, 20 minutes until it's dry. Okay, guys, this is the final look. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, leave a comment. and also a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this look. See you next time. Goodbye.